Okay, this is an add-on to the video I made about fabricating a jacketed roll. If you remember in it, I was showing how the heat of welding made the shell swell on the other end, and a crack showed up between that little thin head and the shell. So on this end, I'm gonna back up where you can see. You can see where I started and stopped with my welds right here in this area. I divided it into 8 different welds is what I did. I welded this one first, this one, and then this one, and then this one I welded. And then I came back. What I did is I left the tacks where they tacked it right in the middle of this part. I left the tacks in there. Well, I came back in between the first 4 welds and welded this over all of my tacks. You can see where I started right here and welded up to here, and then here and over to here, and then here down to here. And what that did, by welding it in the 4 places between the tacks first, the tacks actually held. None of these popped this time, and it gave me a thick weld, a long weld of surface here to where where it couldn't move, and then I was able to come back and weld over those tacks and finish it. This one's done. I got one more to do. It's sitting right there. There's a little mini head if you want to look at it before I put it together. These are the heads. If you look at them, they have them chamfered here and here, like the other ones were. And see how I was talking about the machinist bore this inside diameter? They bore it, and this head right here will fit in there flush against this step right here. You can see it. And of course, there's a witness mark. There's the other witness mark. That's how they got it. But if you look, this pipe or tube is not exactly round. You can see right here where it had a spot that it didn't clean up. There's nothing there to stop this head, but it is on the rest of it. And over here is the inner tube that goes on the inside. It's got a chamfer cut on it, and you can see it chattered real bad. And those are the little weldolets. They'll want to go in this hole, one in that hole, and then there's 2 holes on the other end. So today's Thursday, so Monday I will start putting all of this together, and they should have the main heads shrunk in this so I can weld the heads in. I think a jacketed roll is pretty neat. What it is they put chill water in one end, and it fills this jacket up that's in between this one and this one. It fills it up with chill water, and if you'll see the weldolets on the other end, the water comes in this end and goes out that end, but it's going to have a hollow shaft through it with what we call unions on the ends. They swivel, they let the roll turn, and they sit kind of stationary and let the journal turn on the roll. So that's a little bit on a jacketed roll. Well, all right, that's all I have for today. It's time to go kick back, eat a bite, get a good shower, and go to bed. Tomorrow morning is going to come early. So y'all have a good night. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.